man.
Hello.
What's up?
Guys.
Where are you going?
To the States.
Okay, good for you. So guys, we're here in Terminal 3 NAIA Airport, and we have a flight going to Cebu City. It's just a 2-day trip. Me with my brother and my parents. So this is me. Hi guys. So there's no line yet for the baggage check-in counter because it's pretty early. Time here is around 4:50 in the morning. There are not that much people here as of this date, or time rather. Yeah, because it's still early. Okay, well, I'll take more videos later. Bye guys.
Gusto mo ulit dyan? Nasarapan ka ba dyan? Pwede na rin. Siya? So we are heading to gate 116, and it's a flight, Cebu Pacific flight going to Cebu City. So this is the NAIA Terminal 3, the new airport here in Pasay City, Philippines. So that's my mom, my dad, and my brother Maned. Okay. And that's the airplane runway. And here to my right is a view of the buildings of Manila. Actually, that's Makati City.
Passengers on hostesses by 5G in Lanao, Singapore. After moving the other counter check-in requirements, please proceed to gate 1
Sa'yo, wala.
Lang eh. Dito ka.
Attention to the owner of left-hand yellow plastic bag. To the owner of left-hand yellow plastic bag, kindly check information counter arrival area.
Hi everybody. Hi everybody, my name is Maned. Sino? Uy oh, ang ganda na rabaro na yun. Video mo yan ano? Ay. Pwede pala i-zoom to, no? Hi Mark. Do you want to say hi to your subscribers?
I'm speechless at the moment.
Do you want to tell them where you're going right now?
Yeah, I already told them. I said
You already told them?
I started filming.
Okay.
When I was in the car.
Is there anything you want me to ask you?
No.
Alright. Susunod na lang yun. Dito sakay tayo dyan, oh.
Dito na tayo.
Okay lang. Aga pa naman.
Hindi, lutas ka din.
Oh, Kuya Mark.
Hindi.
Andito na pala. Andito na itong gate 119. Paano nyo nalaman?
Eh, baka nasa kanya yung boarding pass.
Sa akin eh. Sinabi ko nila.
Lakad lang tayo, Dad. Ay, ano?